Back now to that breaking news that we brought you just a minute ago. Sean Phillips is facing murder charges for the death of his baby daughter, although her body has not been found. Right now, there's a hearing to see if he'll go to trial over those charges. And today, Ariel Cortland, the mother of missing baby Kate, testified. 24-hour News 8's Leon Hendricks is at the hearing. He just stepped out of the courtroom moments ago. Leon, lay out what you're learning for us today.
Well, right now, Ariel Cortland is actually still on the stand. If we can take the live pictures of what's happening in the courtroom, what they have gone over with her is a lot of the evidence, a lot of what we've heard about that day that baby Kate went missing was in the back seat of Sean Phillips' car. As they were having an argument, she went into the home and came back out, and the baby was gone. And since then, no one has seen that baby, with, of course, according to the prosecution's theory, except for Sean Phillips, and no one knows where she is. Now, here's what's coming out that is new. We've talked about in the past this letter that Sean Phillips wrote to Ariel Cortland, or allegedly wrote to Ariel Cortland, that in which he confesses that the baby died and that he took her to this peaceful place. Now, what we're learning today is that Ariel Cortland actually corresponded with him after that letter was written. She wrote him a letter asking him questions about what he had written in that letter. But she says, despite that, he still has not told her a location as to where baby Kate is. So this court case will continue. At times, as she spoke about that last day that she saw her baby, Ariel Cortland became emotional. Listen.
I asked where Kate was at and if I could come and get her. And he said no, because Kate wasn't there. And they didn't know where she was at. They said that she was gone. Take a minute. Fine.
And now, operating under the presumption here, I just saw the judge walk by me outside the courthouse, so it sounds like court has broken. It's gone into recess for lunch, but it will pick up, of course, after lunch. This hearing is expected to last at least through today and tomorrow. There's a lot of evidence to get through, and of course, they're trying to prove a murder case here. They've got to prove it enough to convince the judge there's enough evidence here to send this case to trial, and they've got to prove that Sean Phillips probably did kill his daughter in order for this case to proceed, and they're doing all this without baby Kate's body. We'll, of course, continue to follow the case. Reporting live in Ludington, Leon Hendricks. Now back to you, Sue.
Okay, Leon, thank you for the new developments today.